Today we are remaking one of my really old recipes. I posted this sometime in 2013. Yes, I've been blogging since I think 2009, 2010. It's been a while and I've been creating recipes since then. The way I develop recipes has changed, my photography has changed, things have evolved over time, and this one also didn't have a video. So I decided to make a video as well as redo the pictures and change the recipe a little bit. So let's make my barbecue red lentil burger. First, we're gonna cook our red lentils. Just add them to a saucepan with some water, bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium and continue to cook these for 10 to 12 minutes or until the lentils are cooked to preference. Then drain the lentils and set them aside. You don't need to chop anything here because you can add everything to a food processor and chop everything together. If you're planning to chop them by hand, make sure to chop them really fine or grate them using a grater. Add your cooked lentils to the bowl. Add some flaxseed meal, which is your egg replacer. Add in all of the spices and flavor components and also add in some breadcrumbs and mix that in. Try to shape the patties in your hands. If the mixture is leaking out moisture and wetting your hands, that means it is way too moist and you need to add some flour into the mixture. Let that mixture sit for a minute or so while you preheat your oven or preheat your pan. If you're baking these patties, shape them and put them on the baking sheet. Then make this glaze, which is really important, especially if you're baking the patties. It is a mixture of barbecue sauce, hot sauce and oil. If you don't want to use hot sauce, you can omit that and use just barbecue sauce and add a teaspoon of water instead to loosen that mixture a little bit. Brush that all over the patties that are going to bake. Then put the baking sheet in the oven to bake for 20 to 30 minutes depending on the size of the patties, the moisture content and the oven and so on. To make it on the pan, heat a skillet over medium-high heat, add a little bit of oil, shape your mixture into patties and place them on the skillet. Now reduce the heat to medium and cook these patties over medium heat until they're golden brown on both sides. And then just towards the end, brush the glaze on the patties, cook them for another 15 seconds so that the glaze heats up a little bit and thickens slightly. And the glaze will caramelize on the outside and make these patties even more delicious. I made a quick slaw with some cabbage, added some vegan mayo, some lime juice, salt and pepper, and then paired it with these patties on the toasted bun, and oh my god, it's an absolutely delicious burger. It looks beautiful and it tastes amazing. Look at this delicious and amazing and cute barbecue lentil burger. These are great to have around for quick lunches and dinners. Just put them in the fridge for up to 4 days. You can also freeze them and then reheat them in the oven or the skillet. If you don't want to make this slaw, you can skip it and pair these patties with your favorite dressings of choice. Layer them with some crunchy lettuce, some red onion, or whatever else you want to add to your burger. You can serve these over greens, add them to wraps. These are really delicious and versatile. They have plenty of protein. I use a barbecue flavor profile with these, but if you want to change that up, you can use some Cajun or some chili powder blend as well. So these are my barbecue red lentil burgers, which are absolutely scrumptious and delicious. If you try these burgers, do let me know in the comments how you like them. Also, don't forget to review them on the website. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for easy vegan recipes, Indian vegan recipes, fun and creative vegan recipes, and so much more. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.